In this video, we're gonna see why the iPhone keyboard suck and what I suggest to use instead of this. But before that, let's roll the intro. Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So in this video, we're gonna see simply the difference between the Apple keyboard, so in this case the iPhone keyboard. What I suggest to use that is Gboard in this case, because someone know that I am coming from Android world. Before this, I was using on any of my phone, I was using Gboard and I found myself very good with that. When I switched to the iPhone, I just let the default keyboard take over me and just use it instead of Gboard. But right now I'm thinking to switch again to Gboard, and here are the reasons why. So first and most important thing where this keyboard differs is the word prediction. So for example, let's open a new note, and if you haven't seen already my note video, just click right there and just go right now to see how I organize myself with the note app. The word prediction right now is kind of good. For example, if I type, it is kind of good, and it's getting for sure better with the latest updates from Apple. It is more precise and it does have some logic, especially compared to the older keyboard version, we can say before iOS 16. But Gboard, it is so much better. It learns how you type and what you type in few days or maximum in few weeks. And also it does learn your custom words. For example, if you type always a custom word, it learns also that word and it will be memorized automatically. Same stuff happens with emoji, because with Gboard it memorizes also emoji and it can predict emoji. And with the Apple keyboard it can predict the emoji, but it just works into messaging app and not in the note app, for example. Also, one thing that I really hate from the iPhone keyboard, it is the autocorrect, because sometimes it works for sure, yes, but sometimes it corrects the word just when you click the button to send the message, especially if you're using some messaging app and you type a word, and for example you type word like this and maybe you hit send and then your phone just typed, for example, word, so you don't have the time to undo the autocorrect. Unfortunately, now they've added a small function to rewrite your words as you wrote them in first place, but still it is something that makes me crazy every time that happens. With Gboard you can also convert units. For example, if I type 10 kilos right here, you can see that I have other units right here converted instantly, and this works of course for other units. For example, if I type gram, I have the same conversion. Same stuff if I type another unit. Also, you can easily search for GIFs and photos and send it with ease just by pressing here on the emoji button. And then you can find also stickers, you can find GIF that you can search of course on Google, or this old emoji. You can also translate something really fast by clicking on the Google button right here on the left, and then you can hit translate and you can translate whatever you want very easily. Lastly, Gboard is more customizable, so just go into settings right there and you can find a lot of keyboard settings. You can also customize your themes, you can customize your colors of your keyboard, the background color, the key color, everything, the text color. You can just download this gradient, images, landscape, whatever. So whatever you want, it is more customizable. Then one more important difference between these two keyboards, it is the multilingual support. And for me, that I speak and write two languages every time, it is very essential that my phone can type both Italian in my case and English. And this of course can be done with both of the keyboard, but in the first place with Apple, if you enable the multilingual mode, it can change the layout of your keyboard, because if you have noticed, I have the emoji button right here, but if I didn't have the multilingual and multi-keyboard button enabled, you had the emoji symbol right down below here on the left. So if you are used to a standard keyboard, you may find yourself maybe a little confused at the beginning. But also, apart from this, on the Gboard, the best thing it is that Gboard can still memorize more words in both languages. So in my case, it can memorize way faster some Italian and also some English very easily. And so it can help to write you faster too. Speaking about the Apple keyboard, the two upsides that we have are just one, the design, because if you notice, this is the Gboard. I mean, it's not that bad, but if I switch on the Apple keyboard, it is for sure looking better and it is for sure superior compared to the Gboard, and because it simply matches the iPhone aesthetic. Second point, the privacy, because as I said, Google can predict your words better, but it is a problem because the words and patterns that you type goes through a server and someone could be in disagreement with this. But Google also provides option for user to manage their privacy settings within the keyboard app. So right here in settings, you can also decide to do not share usage statistics. While the Apple keyboard does not store keystroke or send any personal data to Apple servers for predictive text suggestion, so the keyboard prioritizes on-device processing for user privacy. So those are my points on why Apple keyboard sucks, and I can say that I will test again Gboard and I will see how it goes. If it goes well, I will stick to it again, and I will tell you maybe in a comment here down below, or maybe I will do a post or maybe another video update. And let me know down below in the comments what do you think about this, and if you use Apple keyboard or maybe if you use another custom keyboard. And also let me know if you did know about the custom keyboards that you can add to your iPhone. Anyway, if you did like this video, just hit a like down below because it's free, and also subscribe if you haven't already because it helps a lot. So hit the subscribe button down below. As always, thank you for watching my video and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.